My name is Brian Brady. I'm the Director of Training for Ironworkers Locals 40 and 361. This particular school is for structural ironworkers and the signatory contractors who do the major building of all structural steelwork in our jurisdiction. They call our union hall and hire our workers, and the union and the employers work together to do the training. Today we had an open house for engineering and architecture students at Cooper Union. They came into our school to see a little bit about what structural ironworkers do for a living and the education behind becoming a structural ironworker.
I think this is very important for educating our students because they can see the actual work in the field.
In the school, like during the academic years, it's mostly like theoretical studies, and like even our engineering classes is mostly like calculation based. So I never really like seen how structures are like stand up.
Especially if you're like in the design office all day, you don't get to really experience this kind of thing unless you do it yourself.
It is very helpful to connect the classroom design with the actual work in the field.
I used to think to myself, how do these people sit in an office and design this and the beam fits perfect? And I think it's excellent for the students to come in and see kind of the other side. When they draw this stuff, they could see how it's put together.
So the experience today was really good. Got to stick weld, automatic weld, and got to finally climb up the column.
I found that stick welding was actually a lot easier for me, even more than the semi-automatic one. I think because it's bigger and it seems like a pencil, so it just goes across very easily.
All we want is for people to want to do this. If you're a motivated, self-motivated, conscientious person who wants to change their life, you're in the right spot.
I'm studying civil engineering, but I'm thinking about going to construction management, and it really gave me insight into what I guess just ironworkers do, every day. And it's a lot of physical work, a lot of hard work, and just made me appreciate the workers more, the amount of labor that gets put into a project.
That's why these open houses are also very good. It just creates an opportunity for people to know about what we do. We've done this before. Sioni, the Structural Engineers Association of New York. We also do it for Helmets to Hard Hats, the veterans from the military. There's a program that helps them get good jobs and careers. Also, non-traditional employment for women, we do it for them. And for the New York City high schools, there's a program for inner city kids to get into the building trades, and we have an open house for them also.
You learn a lot, even just spending 2 hours, not the entire semester that they teach the graduating class year.
Going forward as an engineering student, sooner or later I'll be also working in the field, and it's important to see beforehand how it actually is, otherwise you just go in knowing nothing. So I think that this was a really great opportunity and a really great experience to see that.
This is a great experience for all of us, students and faculty. And I thank the Steel Institute of New York for this opportunity.